think this is interesting because I just realized that we take care of an office complex that has a vacant building in it that we don't do. And so it is an untouched parking lot. We've had a couple of complaints that came in from the ice storm, and people said, it doesn't look like you've touched anything. And what an untouched parking lot looks like, and this is the day after, is it's just a sheet of ice. So, and how do I know it's a sheet of ice? That's here we go, doing a donut. Oh, I can't. There we go. That's what an untouched parking lot looks like a day after the ice storm. A pure sheet of ice. And I'm curious now, I hope I don't fall. I'm curious how much is left. Oh no. Turn that off. Alright, so, oh wow. I'm gonna fall. Everyone knows what this is. Good old Swiss Army knife. Oh, I almost have to kneel because I'm so worried about falling. So what an untouched parking lot looks like a day after the ice storm is, let's see, a ½ inch of solid ice. That's what it looks like. So if you come out on your parking lot and you see a little bit of film and you see a little bit of stuff there, doesn't mean there isn't room for improvement, but it definitely is not untouched.